Hey guys, welcome back. Day 4, SHOT Show 2023 with Mike Smith of Dead Air. He's going to give us a full rundown on his baby, the new Mojave 9.
Yep, so Mojave 9 is Dead Air's first 3D printed suppressor. It's a modular design that comes exactly as shown here. It comes equipped with a booster installed with a half 28 piston. The modules for the suppressor are printed out of grade 5 titanium. Overall length in full configuration is 7 5/8 and it weighs 9.8 ounces. When you move it down to the compact configuration, you're looking at right at 6 inches and 8.1 ounces. The Mojave only has 5 baffles, which is kind of noteworthy because most of our competitors' designs have anywhere from 8 to 12 baffles. And these are variably spaced baffles, and it's a brand new baffle design called the Triskelion baffle. The Triskelion is a warped cone baffle that's extremely efficient at diverting gas away from the bore axis and throwing it out into some coaxial expansion volume. It's got a built-in flow-through feature, so this is a very low back pressure can that makes it very well suited for direct blowback guns like CZ Scorpions or any of the AR 9mm out there. It also has the benefit of keeping a regular tilting barrel design like a Glock or any Browning type gun running longer with less stress because there's going to be less back pressure on the moving components. And through 3D printing, you wind up with a structure that's incredibly strong since everything inside the silencer is tied to the outside of the silencer, so it has a lot of hoop strength and resists wanting to expand. That same thing also has the benefit of directing heat from inside the silencer to the outside, so it heats up very fast, but it also cools off very fast as well.
Right. No, when I took it apart off camera, you can notice too exactly what you're talking about with the flow through voids you had. I saw the little pinholes on the edge.
Yeah,
that was really cool.
Yep. Yeah, it has a really good tone, which is a side benefit of both the baffle design and the titanium construction. It's a real low frequency, earthy tone that most people find very pleasing.
I'm all about tone.
Oh yeah, tone is king.
Tone is king.
And in terms of caliber compatibility, it's made for 9mm, so you can shoot semi-automatic, fully automatic 9mm through it. You can shoot semi and full automatic 300 blackout subs through it. You can shoot 300 blackout supers through it, semi-automatic only, and 350 Legends.
It's pretty impressive though, supersonic 300 blackout.
Yeah, it's a pretty powerful cartridge.
I wasn't expecting that,
Yeah, and out of a short barrel, you're looking at some really high pressure.
Oh yeah, so yeah, it's definitely strong.
Yep.
So 3-lug capable, obviously.
Oh yeah. You can replace the booster in the rear with any one of 5 different attachment methods. You can go direct thread, 3-lug, key micro, and our new P-Series Xeno, as well as the booster that comes installed.
Let's take it apart and
show
them the inside. I'll show you some close-up B-roll guys back at home, but you know what I almost wish we did is when we were talking before we filmed is to get my real initial reaction when I took it apart.
Yeah.
Because I was definitely blown away.
Yeah, it's a big surprise what's inside here. And really with this, we wanted to give people something that they'd never seen before.
Never seen
something special.
Yeah, and you can see these voids too that you were just discussing right here on the outside.
That's the flow through.
Hopefully you guys can see that at home.
Oh, okay.
And then here's the front module.
Okay.
Yeah. And you even have some increased surface area, right?
Yep.
I don't know if you guys can see in there, but you can see the I don't know what you call it, engraving slats.
Yeah, we've
grooves,
got some extra texture.
Yeah, some texture.
So
you really went all out. What can I do with this machine?
Yeah, and all that is made possible through 3D printing. There's no way to machine that baffle.
Do you know the price point on it?
Yep, the MSRP on it's going to be $10.99.
Okay.
And we're looking at an early Q2 release.
What distributors will have it?
Everybody.
Everybody.
Yep.
Awesome. Well, I will see you soon. Probably we're going to go up to the Austin shoot for Capital Armory, and then Capital Armory is going to be title sponsoring my event, Suppress Fest 2023.
Perfect.
So we'll probably have you guys down there for that too.
We'd love it.
So cool. All right, guys, stay tuned. We'll be doing a full review on the suppressor. Come to you soon. See you.